Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by confirming device model and OS, because accurate diagnostics depend on current software. Once done, check battery health and charge cycles in settings to see where. Close or force stop heavy apps and toggle airplane mode briefly to observe baseline drain. This shows whether background processes are the culprit. Make sure to record screen on time and percent drop over 10-15 minutes. These quick steps set a clean starting point for deeper investigation and prevent false positives. You now measure how power is actually used, because numbers reveal hidden drains. Open battery stats and note top apps and system services. Look for apps using disproportionate background time. Run a controlled 30-minute test at a fixed brightness and record percent drop, then repeat with different settings to compare. Check CPU usage and wake clocks for persistent activity when the screen is off. Once you identify suspects, restrict background activity or uninstall to verify which change reduces the drain. You finish by applying focused remedies and validating results. Update apps and OS, restrict or remove offending apps and clear cache, then rerun the same controlled test to confirm improvement. If readings seem inconsistent, perform a calibration. Fully charge, then fully discharge once, and repeat. This aligns software estimates with actual capacity. If drain persists, boot into safe mode or perform a factory reset to rule out software. And finally, consider battery replacement. If nothing works, seek professional diagnostics as the key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.